Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to hide apps on an iPhone. First of all, press and hold on the screen. When your screen gets into giggling mode, click on the three dots from the bottom. You can see all the pages with your apps here. Then tap on the app and drag to a new page. After adding the app in the new page, press and hold on the page. Then click on the dots from the bottom where you can see the new page you added. Now untick the page and click on Done to hide the whole page and app with it. After that, you cannot see the page in home screen. If you want to unhide the page, press and hold on the page, then click on the dots. You can take the page and click on OK to make it visible on the home page. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.